How to fix Roblox getting stuck on joining server. Hello guys, this is Atticus from Create Login and Delete. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Roblox getting stuck on joining server. So now let's get started. So when you open Roblox and when you try to open another application inside Roblox, it just gets stuck and just says it's joining a server. So this might happen because of many reasons. So first thing you'll want to do is just check your Wi-Fi connection. You can go to your Wi-Fi settings or you can go to your control panel and just connect to a strong Wi-Fi. After you do that, go back to Roblox and try to, just join another application. After that, if it still does not work and it's still getting stuck on joining server, what you might want to do is go to your app store, and after you're on your app store, just search for Roblox. After you search for Roblox, check if they have an update. Now if they have an update, just update your Roblox and your problem will get fixed, as updates come with bug fixes. Now even after doing that, your Roblox does not work, what you'll want to do is open up your web browser. Any web browser is fine, and search for down detector. Now what down detector does is it checks if the server of a particular application is down. So you can just go to Roblox on your down detector and you can check if its server is down. So just check, and if there is no problem with Roblox's server, what you can do is you can wait for a few minutes, you can wait for a few hours and try to join back to the application. So yeah, that is all for the video guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment down below. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.